Okay, so let's look at countable versus uncountable nouns. Now, what they're all about. So, a countable noun is a noun you can count. You can count it individually, like fingers. 1 finger, 2 finger, 3 finger, 4 finger. Pen. 1 pen, 2 pens, and more. Okay, so we can count them. 1 book. 1 book. 2 pens. 2 pens. Very nice. 3 cameras. Camera here. 1, 2, 3. 3 cameras. Very good. 10 fairies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fairies. Very nice. So countable, simply we can count them. What are these? So 1, 2, 2 magnets. Magnets. Very nice. 2 magnets. 3 and 4. Oh, okay, 3 then. 3. 3 magnets. Very nice. 3 magnets. But uncountable nouns use a verb in the singular when we describe them. So we say, that is a pile of sand. I have a bag of stones. So with sand and stones, we can't count them as easily. How many? Difficult to know. We can't count them. So we use, not only do we use a verb in the singular when describing them and counting them, is a, that is a pile of sand, that is a bag of stones, but also with uncountable nouns we use a container to make them countable. So we have pile, bag, a pile, a bag, a bag. So we could say some water. I have some water here. Some water. I have 3 bottles. Bottles of water. I have a bottle. A bottle. 3 bottles. We can count the bottles, but we can't count the water. I got 3 water. No. 3 litres of water. 3 bottles of water. 3 bowls. 3 glasses of water. Very good. Milk. I have some milk. Some. How much is some? Some. Well, some. I have a bowl. A bowl. A bowl of milk. Question is, how much water do we have? Well, I have this much of water. This much. But how much is that? How much is this much? How much is it? It is a bowl of milk, of water. Bottle. It's a bottle of water. A bottle of water. 3 bottles of water. How about 10 bowls? 10 bowls of water. 10 bowls of water. Now we're making more sense. A bowl, 10 bowls. 3 bottles, a bottle. A bottle of water. Very good. So we can turn uncountable, milk, water, sand, stones, into countable by adding a container. A bottle, a bowl, a bag, a pile, a box, a suitcase, anything really, a container, a bag, a drawer, anything, even a hat. A hat, put the stuff in it. I got a hat, a hat of pebbles. Hat of pebbles, makes sense. Yes, bowl, bottle, and beyond. And countable nouns, simply things. 3 cameras, 2 pens, 1 book, 10 fairies, 3 magnets. 3 magnets. Very good. Very good. So, countable, you can count them. Uncountable, can't count them unless they're in a container, a bag, a bowl, anything, a box and beyond. So let's keep going.